Hello everyone, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn an exciting and important topic in English grammar called noun gender. Before we begin, let's understand what gender means in grammar. Every noun has a gender that helps us identify what it refers to. Noun gender is the classification of nouns in different categories based on whether they refer to a male, a female, both male and female, or non living things. There are four types of noun gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Understanding noun gender helps us speak and write correctly. It also helps us understand the meaning of sentence more clearly. So let's explore each type one by one. Noun gender refers to the classification of nouns as masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. Let's briefly understand these four types. Number one, masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male person or animal is called masculine gender. Examples include man, boy, father, king, lion, etc. Number two, feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female person or animal is called feminine gender. Examples: woman, girl, mother, queen, hen, etc. Number three, common gender. A noun that can refer to either a male or a female is called common gender. Its examples are teacher, student, doctor, child, friend, parent. Number 4. Neuter gender. A noun that refers to the non living things, objects, places, or ideas is called neuter gender. Examples: book, table, chair, school, car, etc. Remember, gender tells us whether a noun is masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. Now let's learn about masculine gender in detail. A noun that refers to a male person or a male animal is called masculine gender. These nouns represent males. Look at the examples. Man. If we use it in a sentence, the man is going to the office. Another example, boy. The boy is playing cricket. Father. My father is a doctor. Another example, king. The king ruled the kingdom. So there are and other examples also, lion, rooster, etc. All these nouns refers to male persons or male animals. Therefore, they belong to the masculine gender. Remember, masculine gender nouns are the names of male people or animals. Let's move on to feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female person or female animal is called feminine gender. These nouns represent females. Let's see examples. Woman. The woman is a teacher. Girl. The girl is reading a book. Mother. My mother cares for me. Queen. The queen lives in the palace. Hen. The hen lays eggs. Each of these nouns refers to a female person or female animal. Therefore, they belong to the female gender. Remember, feminine gender nouns are the names of female people or animals. Now let's understand common gender. A noun that can refer to either a male or a female is called common gender. These nouns do not specifically indicate whether the person is male or female. Look at the examples. Teacher. The teacher explained the lesson well. A teacher can be a man or a woman. Student. Similarly, a student can be either male or female. Doctor. A doctor may be a man or a woman. Child. The child can be a boy or a girl. Friend. A friend can be a male or female. Parent. A parent can either be a father or a mother. All these nouns can refer to both males and females. Therefore, they belong to the common gender. Remember, common gender nouns can be used for both males and females. Now let's learn about neuter gender. A noun that refers to non living things, objects, places, or ideas is called neuter gender. These nouns are neither male nor female. Look at the examples. Book. The book is on the table. So the book is neither male nor female. Table, chair, school, car, computer. All these nouns are non living. Therefore, they belong to neuter gender. Remember, neuter gender nouns are the names of non living things, objects, places, or ideas. Congratulations! We have successfully learned about noun gender. Let's quickly revise that what we learned today. Masculine gender. It refers to a male person or animal. Examples: boy, man, lion, etc. Feminine gender. It refers to a female person or animal. Common gender refers to either a male or a female. Neuter gender refers to non living things, objects, places, or ideas. Noun gender helps us understand nouns better and enables us to speak and write English correctly. Thank you for watching this. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.